this morning. It's the worst. Welcome back to the channel. This is Wheelman. I'm Josh. Today's Corvette. Went out with street burners last night, which is what I'm going to call my clicks. I think it's pretty savage. I had the Corvette, realigned. Today we're going to check out the suspension travel because I'm having major issues at about 90 miles an hour and plus. First time I raced Brandon's ZR1, which we have a video of. If you want to go check it out, I'll try to throw the iCard up for it. During pulls, the car was just shifting side to side. It's getting rear end wiggle, and it's pretty dramatic. It's like my power is shooting me in different directions, so to speak. It's not like a wiggle you're pulling, it's a push wiggle. I'm having a major shifting problem. Kevin works at Emerald Coast Motorsports. If you're new on the channel, Kevin's my best friend. He's with me in most of my videos, including the fuel relay video for this car that we just did. That'll be up eventually. He has been preaching up and down that I need to put in Mike Hummels, who is the owner of Emerald Coast Motorsports, part owner, whatever have you. Put in some of his sway bar end links and a bunch of billet pieces he offers, including the bushings for my A-arms, control arms, and the sway bar basically. We're going to go out and get video. I'm going to try to attach it. We want to see what the play is right here in this situation and just try to get the best idea we can on what exactly is going on in this sector. I'm just not really sure how I'm going to mount it yet, but we're going to figure it out. We'll test it, do a bunch of first to second gears, get up to about 90 and above, and go beat the shit out of it basically, and see exactly what's going on, because we have a major problem and I'm missing a lot of forward momentum, and the car's not even turned up yet. Like, it's on a crap moderate tune right now on low boost. It's 6 psi at the top of the power band, and dramatically needs a tune. Hasn't been tuned for the long tubes or anything like that, so I'm gonna get it mounted and let's go. All right, well, it took me about 30 minutes to find out how to mount this setup. Shot the outro, but keep in mind I'm doing this because I'm trying to exploit either stock bushings that suck trying to exploit my sway bar end links. Some people say it can be a bad trans mount or engine mounts or both. A lot of people say tires. I'm still running Michelin Pilots. They're terrible. They're the worst. So it's pretty simple how many of those things this could be, but my buddy's veering towards a sway bar end links. Sent me a video, and the comparison contrast was pretty dramatic. So basically right now we're just gathering data to see what the rear end is doing and putting the video out there for you guys, because in cases like this, I like to turn any information with this Corvette that I get on my information from the forums into a forum video. So they have that version as well in addition to the forum, and maybe people find it, and I hope it helps them out. So let's go to the intro or outro vlog and go from there. That was sketchy to say the least. I did wide open throttle, hard shifts, romps. I was in corners goosing it. I was even swerving really hard. Basically trying to replicate any and every bushing problem this thing would ever have. I'm talking first and second gear, dumps. It was sketchy. It was super sketchy. So I will not have viewed the footage yet. I'm just doing the outro to the vlog. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit. If you're curious about what the setup is, it's Procharged LS3. It's an ECS 1500 kit. I think max boost is like 6 PSI at the top of the power band. Stock clutch, booster pump, 1 7/8 Speed Engineering headers. My exhaust system for Speed Engineering goes all the way back to about here and then connects to my stock 2.5-inch axle back, which we're going to get rid of sooner or later. They're ready to go. We will see you next time. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. We got lots of videos, lots of stuff, street racing, roll racing, V8 Turbo RX-7, Harley Davidson in there, Gravedigger, Mini Jeep, Titan, twin turbo Lincoln camper. We will see you next time. Outro. Bye.